Google Analytics is a useful way to observe what your customers get up to in your webshop. The Google Analytics integration adds tags to each page of your webshop automatically. These tags collect information on user behavior and send the information to your Google Analytics account. On your Google Analytics account, you will find out, for example, which pages do your customers visit, how many of those visitors make a purchase, or leave in the middle of making a purchase, and from which pages customers leave your web shop. You can find the ready-to-use Google Analytics integration in your webshop administration. The integration adds the required tags to your webshop automatically. To install the integration, go to your shop admin and press Marketing. Choose Google and Google Analytics. Next, you have to create a Google Analytics account if you do not already have one. When you've created your Google Analytics account, you should create a view in your account. This is a necessary step in order to collect data with Google Analytics. This can be done by going to your account admin and pressing Create View. Under Properties, you will find your Google Analytics tracking ID, which you must copy. Go back to your shop admin and paste the tracking ID into the field that says Tracking ID. Press Save. You will find information on visitors of your shop in your Google Analytics account within 24 hours. You are able to test whether the tracking ID works by looking at the real-time view on your Google Analytics account and at the same time visiting different pages on your webshop as a customer. If the tracking ID works, the real-time view will display you as a visitor in your shop. If you added the tracking ID by following these instructions, do not add the tags manually. It is an alternative way to install Google Analytics to your webshop, but in order to collect data correctly, you must choose only one of these methods. If you want Google Analytics to collect data on your webshop sales, you must do that in your Google Analytics account. This way it is possible to observe which products, search words and sources create the most sales in your webshop. First, in Google Analytics, you must determine that your website is a webshop. Go to Admin and press E-commerce Settings. Press Enable e-commerce. Press Save. More information on Google Analytics can be found on Google's own pages. If you need help with setting up analytics to your webshop, do not hesitate to contact us. More information can be found in the description box below.